In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a subpage in Notion, a versatile tool that many use to manage their projects, documents, and more efficiently. So whether you're new to Notion or just exploring more ways to enhance your workflow, this guide will help you create seamless links to your subpages. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to your connected workspace within Notion. This is where all your wikis, docs, and projects are neatly organized. If you've never accessed your workspace before, it's essentially your personal hub in Notion where you can structure all your ongoing tasks and documents. Once you've made your way to the Notion website, you'll see an option to log in. Click on it, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your Notion home. If you haven't set up a Notion account yet, you'll need to do so by following the sign-up prompts you'll see on the same page. Notion's onboarding process is simple, but if you're already registered, then logging in should be a quick step. Now that you're on the Notion homepage, you'll find all your pages neatly displayed. Choose the page where you want to create a link to a subpage. Simply click on the page to open it. This main page acts as your central document or dashboard where you'll be creating the links. With your chosen page open, it's time to type in an @mention. In Notion, the @ symbol acts as a powerful tool that allows you to quickly reference or link different elements within your workspace. By typing @ta, you'll be prompted with a range of suggestions, including dates, users, and importantly for us, pages or subpages. Type in the name of the subpage you're aiming to link. Notion will provide a drop-down of matching subpages based on what you've typed. This intuitive feature helps you quickly find the exact subpage without having to navigate through your entire workspace. As you see the list of suggestions, simply click on the subpage you want to link. Doing this creates a direct link from your main page to the subpage, allowing you to navigate between them seamlessly. It's similar to creating hyperlinks in a document, ensuring your navigation is smooth and intuitive. And there you have it. You've just learned how to link to a subpage in Notion. This is an excellent way to keep your workspace organized and efficient. With this skill, managing detailed projects and documents becomes a breeze as you connect related pages effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!